Exceptional, very comfortable and affordable place. Nice and clear hotel. Nice and clear hotel, friendly staff, good location. Prime location at great price. The hotel is right next to Chinatown, and many consulates. Facilities were minimal but kept clean. The staff were incredible, helped with everything I could possibly need, and the woman on front desk even offered me her umbrella when it was raining. Can't express how much I appreciated that, and the brief stay was exactly what I needed last minute. Thanks, all. Great place to stay, very clean, staff are very nice, have hair dryer, front desk, and refrigerator at the room, free Wi-Fi, near Union Square, easy to going with transportation, be quiet and safe place, luggage storage service before and after checking, share bathroom but it very clean to use. Great for San Fran, comfy, safe and clean, ridiculously affordable for San Francisco. Clean, good location, safe showers, clean after every use, nice beds, courteous staff and nice little common room. The best budget place in SF. This budget stay is perfect for anyone visiting SF and needs a clean and tidy place. The shared bathrooms were very clean and well maintained, the kitchenette was stocked and the location is close to many good spots in prime SF area. The rooms are a bit small and there is no AC but you'll get a fan. Can't really complain about it considering the price we pay for this place, which is great value for money. We'll recommend this to anyone visiting SF and is looking for a budget stay. This is just great place, great location, super friendly staff. I definitely will choose this place again when coming back to San Francisco. Exceptional. Great hotel for the money/locations. Staff were super chill. It's an historical interesting building with quirks, such as an old-fashioned elevator and windows opening into a venting shaft. Near Chinatown, friendly staff, nice location. Place is clean. Great helpful staff, Roy and 2 other Filipina girls. No elevator. Great for backpackers. Amazing value for money. For this amount of money you should care only about the cleanliness, safety, and quietness. They have it all. As a bonus you got a great location in the Fighty.